What's up, YouTube? It's Jay.
And it's C.
And today we're going to be doing the Fishing Mystery Tackle Box Challenge. So we're here at Guilford Pinchot State Park, where we're going to be fishing with these mystery tackle boxes.
Alright, you guys ready? Which one?
Alright, so Caden's going to choose which fishing box he wants. We have number 829 and number 828. So Caden, which one are you going to be choosing?
So, I don't know. I'm just gonna pick one. Here, we're gonna toss them around. Boom, 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 boom. This is the one I'm
Boom. Number 829.
829, that's
all right,
the one.
open her up, Caden.
Here, open her up. We're gonna see what we got to work with here today. How do you open this? Oh, we ripped the box. Amazing.
It's like,
Oh, we got a pull tab here, guys. While I'm getting this open, make sure to drop a. Oh, Jesus.
Dude, open the box.
Let's see.
Boom.
Ooh.
A box inside of a box.
Box inside of a box. How about this? Oh. Alright. We opened her up.
Oh.
What do we got? We're unfolding here. Oh, we got a little.
We got a little
roller in
measuring tape,
Boom.
catch and win.
We got some. We got a little
Looks
jig
like he
head.
has a jig.
A jig head. Some lure. Not
A
gonna
Guggen Squad.
Guggen Squad Junior Scout. How about that? Got a little spin jig head.
Spinnerbait maybe.
Got some Yoda worms.
Tickle tails.
Tickle tails. And we got some other accessories. We got some hooks.
Some hooks.
Perfect. We got a nice little sticker.
A sticker. Hey.
I'm gonna catch some fish with that.
Fishing
Dibble.
tips and tricks.
Yes, we don't need those. We already know.
We
what
already
we're
know
doing.
our fishing tips and
Yeah.
tricks.
Alright.
All right, guys.
Pretty solid, I have to say. For I think I definitely am a solid contender for the challenge right here.
All right, so I got box number 828. Gonna open it up here.
You have to open it from the other side. There you go. Good job.
Boom. All right, what do I got?
What do we got in this box here?
I have the Hammer Buzzbait by Guggen Squad.
Oh. Headbang.
Lizards.
Some lizards. Oh.
Some Sukashu bugs. And
a banger.
A banger.
Got some hooks in the bottom.
And
Oh.
weird looking hooks.
Wow. Some weird looking hooks.
I got my dibble too, and a
You got
nice
a
sticker.
sticker.
Hey.
Whoa. Alright, guys.
All right, guys. Let's see what we can catch with all this mystery tackle. Dude, I have not casted a bait caster in a minute, bro. Wait, your leader line broke? Oh my.
The universe really doesn't want me fishing right now.
Oh my god. Alright, guys. So we didn't end up catching any fish at Pinchot, and we had that unfortunate event where Caden lost his lure. So now we're here at Willow Mill Park. It's pouring down rain, and we're going stream fishing. Caden's mystery box has these tickle tail worms, and my mystery box over here has these, the Sukish bugs. And we're hoping that these can catch us some smallmouth bass, and that we will be switching this video to a smallmouth bass video, or maybe some largemouth bass, whatever's in the river. Really.
Whatever's biting.
Whatever's in the creek is whatever's biting is what we're catching today. So yeah, we'll see you in the creek. All right, guys, we're here, kind of digging a creek. We'll be fishing around these trees here, hoping to reel it out. Fish at, man. Okay. Oh, I got a fish!
Jack's on a fish.
I got a fish!
Jack got a fish.
Oh my god! It's a freaking fish, Nolan! It's a freaking hog, dude!
There you go.
Boat flip it, don't do that.
Don't do
Boat flip it, boat flip it. Oh, don't do that.
Dude, we caught a fish! Oh my god. Dude, it took so long. 3 days of fishing.
Oh, you're not recording, you know that.
No, I am. Guys, look. We caught a fish.
There we go.
Let's go. Oh my god. 3 spots, 3 days. Mystery tackle box catches fish. Confirmed.
It's official.
We caught a fish with the stupid tackle box.